Welcome to our channel Food Hive and let's prepare something yummy.
Today we are going to prepare Kala Chana Kebab, veg, Shammi Kebab. Note down the ingredients needed. Take a bowl and add 3 cups of 5 to 6 whistles pressure cooked black chana. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilli, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. Now add half-inch ginger and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Add 5 to 6 black pepper, 1 cinnamon and 2 cloves. Add crushed Kasuri Methi and 2 green chilies. Now add half teaspoon of Garam Masala and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add salt and red chilli powder as per taste. Now add 1 cup of curd and mix it well. Don't add water. Blend all mixture and grind it into smooth and fine paste. To bind mixture well, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour. Finally add some chopped mint and coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of lemon. And start mixing and combining it well. Grease your palms with oil and gently start rolling it in size of ball and flatten it slightly. Now your kebabs are ready to fry. Heat oil or ghee in frying pan to shallow fry the kebabs. Fry it in medium heat flame till kebabs get golden and crispy. Now your Kala Chana Kebab or veg, Shammi Kebab is ready to serve with mint chutney, salad, green chutney, tomato sauce.
Tell us in comments if you liked our recipes, and for more awesome recipes from Food Hive, please subscribe, like and share.